Here at the airport, about to take flight.
On the game, Triple H. You know I'm going to end you.
We have teleported to the airplane. Triple H sits up, and the Undertaker appears from behind, and a slap to the throat. Here we are, Triple H trying to escape here, but Undertaker has him. Oh my God, last ride. The plane starting to move here, but Rey Mysterio. The plane moving, Rey Mysterio. What is he gonna do? The lights are off.
Finally, The Rock has come back!
But no Undertaker has him by the legs. Oh, and The Rock. Oh, trying to go for the rock bottom here. Oh, never mind. Oh, the Fiend. Bray Wyatt with the mandible claw. The mandible claw to The Rock. And a Sister Abigail onto the window. Two demonic monsters staring eye to eye. Here we are in KWS Wrestling, and here we go. Oh, the Fiend blinds the Undertaker. Oh, but Rey Mysterio. Here we go. We're taking off. Rey Mysterio jumping onto both of the monsters. And here we go. We are moving. We are going up. Finally, the airplane is moving, and here we are off the floor. What's gonna happen next? Oh, but John Cena appears out of nowhere. Attitude adjustment into the sky. Rock and Triple H battling it out. Oh, with the Rock. Oh my God, and a Rock bottom onto the window. The Rock, oh, gets speared. Oh my gosh, Triple H and a pedigree. Triple H getting his revenge and now showing off. Undertaker appearing once again, seeing Triple H, and he has him by the neck. And a choke slam onto the window, and now has him up. Oh my God, Tombstone pile driver onto the airplane. But Rock, oh my God, rock bottom. Oh my God, but Rey Mysterio kicks him. 619 onto the airplane. And Rey Mysterio with a splash. Rey Mysterio, oh my God, John Cena. John Cena appearing, but Rey Mysterio can't see him. Oh, John Cena. Oh, finally he can see him now. Here we go with a stare off, but the Undertaker appears once again. And The Rock also coming to join the party. Oh, has Cena by the throat and a choke slam. Oh, Rey Mysterio attempting to go for the 619, but Bray Wyatt has it by the mandible claw. We might be looking in the eyes of the winner of the match. Oh no, we're not. Not yet, because the Undertaker, oh, has him up. Choke slam. The Undertaker might win this match, but John Cena, attitude adjustment onto the head.
You can't see me, dog!
John Cena finally getting his revenge. John Cena might be the winner, but Rey has him. Oh, and a German suplex. And that might be it, ladies and gentlemen. Rey Mysterio. Wait a minute! Rock bottom! Rock bottom! And that is it! The Rock has won the KWS Airplane match! What a match we just witnessed! We went from day to night, state to state. What a match we just witnessed, ladies and gentlemen! Now we are finally back on the floor, about to go back to the airport. The Rock has did it. The Rock has defeated the wrestlers in this match.
Yes,